Hello, hello! My name is Lindsay and thank you so much for stopping by on my video today! You guys, I have this bronzy summer look going on. Can you tell, girl? I have gotten so tan! Spent some time out at the pool. If you guys celebrate 4th of July, I was able to hang out at the pool, do some things. Like, it's been so nice getting a little bit of color on my skin. I did get a little burnt, but that's okay. We're all good because it was evened out with a little bit of help of some tanning products. Today I'm doing a video in collaboration with LookFantastic US. You guys, they gave me a discount code for you guys to shop their website. There are some exclusions in certain brands that are not a part of the coupon, but everything that I used in the video today that is available on their website will be linked down below that you can use the coupon for. Again, you can use code Lindsay for 22% off US LookFantastic. I haven't seen this Revolution palette Ulta or anything. I don't know if you can buy it on their website, but this is the Revolution and Roxxsaurus Color Burst palette. Like, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, and look at these shades. I mean, does this not scream summer? This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at these pastels and everything. I do an eye tutorial with this. I also featured her contour and highlight palette as well. You've got everything that you need right here. I've got the highlighter on. Like, look at this glow. Oh! It just looks, I just feel so summery and bronzy. We put some St.Tropez Gradual Tan makeup like primer on right before putting on my foundation and everything, and I actually did self-tan before the video. I have some tan lines, as you can see. Can you see this like really faint tan line? That tan line was white, so I was able to tan and get that all evened out. I'll show you guys kind of how I did that really quick. Hello, can you see me? Okay, so I'm gonna do this really quick. I didn't realize my battery was like kind of low. I'm in a bikini right now so I can tan for you guys and show you what I do with my self-tanner. Right, the one thing I love doing before I tan is using a scrub here. This is the Kopari Coconut Crush Scrub. This stuff is insane. I do a really good scrub down with this to make sure I get any dead skin off, any extra or old tan or anything like that, but really it's just to get the dead skin off. And then I do this and then I shave to make sure that my skin is all prepped for the tanning. But making sure you exfoliate helps the tan not stick to any dry spots that you might have. So I go in with this. And then I picked out from LookFantastic, it's this back applicator. So I've never tried something like this before, and oh my gosh, I've used this once, and like, look how easy it is. You can just scrub like that. It's super nice. And then here is the tan. This is the St.Tropez Express Self Tan. I absolutely love this stuff because you can leave it on for an hour, up to 3 hours, or as long as you want to. And I feel like this is more of a gradual tan. It's not like a regular tan where you're gonna end up looking orange and, you know, not natural at all. And I've been using this for a couple of years. So, and you can buy a separate mitt. This one I actually got, I think, on Amazon, but when you buy tan, they usually come with mitts anyway. So the back applicator and this tan are on LookFantastic as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through how I do my top and everything. I normally do this without a bikini top on and stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do it here. So sometimes I just kind of like put it on like that, but normally I usually put it on like the applicator. It's so hard to see. This ring light is so bright. And then I just rub it in. I make sure not to put too much on, just so that it doesn't look, you know, uneven and everything. And the back of the arms are like the biggest thing. Oh my gosh, for sure. But I've been tanning, so I have like these horrible, I'm trying not to flash you, these horrible tan lines. And the self tanner like really helps with that. Oh no! Then you take the back applicator and you go like that. To the side, and then I kind of like bend over so that I can really get it in like the crevices and stuff. with your spine. But this thing is a lifesaver. Oh my gosh, if you don't have one of these, or if you have someone that, you know, don't have anybody that can help you. Like, I write little messages, my boyfriend and I write little messages to each other on the mirror. And then I usually go in and fix that up as well. And then for my face, you can go in with that other Gradual tan that I feature later on in the video, but I like using the leftover tan that's on the mitt to do my face. So that way it's not like such a stark difference. Another thing I like doing for my knees and my legs and all that stuff, and my elbows, anywhere that's, you know, a little bit thicker skin, is going in with a moisturizer or lotion and making sure you lotion up those spots so that the tan doesn't stick to it. And then doing your hands absolutely last. But I usually leave this on for an hour to 3 hours, somewhere in that time frame, however long I feel like the tan is developing. And then I wash it off, and this one doesn't smell as bad either. So absolutely love this stuff. But yeah, the Express Tan by St.Tropez I've used for the last couple of years, and you can get on their site, and the discount code that they sent me can be used on that. They've got St.Tropez, Isle of Paradise, Sally Hansen, a lot of great tanning products, which is amazing. So definitely check it out. Again, all the links will be left down below. I also used this soap brow from Revolution as well. I ended up picking a lot of like Revolution products because I wanted to use items that are super affordable. I also used some Essence foundation today. Like, look at this. Like, come on. Looking so good. Everything on my face will be in the tutorial, so if you want to know how to get this look, just keep on watching. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I do a lot of foundation reviews, makeup videos, a bunch of different fun stuff here, so subscribe so you don't miss out on a future video of mine. But that is that. Go ahead and continue watching if you want to see how I got this bronzy look. There's leaf blowers, and it doesn't seem like they're going to be stopping anytime soon, so I apologize. Let's go ahead and dive into the eyeshadow. As you can see, I did something super simple. It looks like a really nice summery sunset. I know I've been doing a lot of like pinks and golds and stuff, but that is just summer to me. I just want to do something really simple and easy. I already have my eyeshadow primer on, which is always linked down below. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer, and then I have the Rare Beauty concealer on as my base. I always switch up concealers for my eyeshadow base. I haven't used this one in a while, so I wanted to test it out today and see how it wore. I got my Dunkin', and we're matching. Dunkin', we're matching. All right, let's go ahead and dive in here. I'm going to be using a Sigma E38 and dipping into the shade Peaches, which is that beautiful pastel pink. And this is going to be going in my crease, and I'm just going to blend that in. These colors blend so effortlessly. There's like no fallout with this shade either. And then using an angled medium sweeper, which is an E54, I'm using actually a double-ended brush from Sigma here. I'm going in with the shade Bang Bang, which is that really pretty orange, and I'm just going to be dabbing this on the outer V, and then I'm going to be blending it in with the Peaches shade. So we have something like that, and if anything gets blended away, you can always go back in and add more. I'm going to be using a really small concealer brush, and I'm going to be going in with my P. Louise base. This one's just a little bit stickier. I want a really nice base for my shimmer shades. I don't use the P. Louise base all over my lid just because sometimes I feel like it creases a bit too much no matter how much I blend it out. Just sometimes don't like it all over my lid. I prefer using a concealer and then it doesn't look as heavy, but I like cutting my crease with the P. Louise base. And then with my finger, I'm going in with the shade Constellation, which is a really light shimmery gold, and that's going on inner third. And then taking the shade Golden Hour, which is that really pretty gold. This is going on the center of my lid, blending in with Bang Bang. I love applying eyeshadow with my finger. Just makes everything so much more pigmented. And I'm just blending anywhere that needs more blending. And there we have the eyeshadow. Like I said, super, super simple. This palette is gorgeous. I know I've been doing a lot of like pinks and oranges and stuff, but that just screams summer to me. I'm going to go ahead and use my House Laboratories brown eyeliner. You can get this on Amazon. I have my Amazon shop linked down below. A wing. And there we have it. There's the eyeshadow. The other thing I got from LookFantastic is their soap brow. So I got this to try in hopes that it would be similar to the Brow Freeze, but this is actually a soap. So what you have to do is use the little applicator. So I used the little applicator with it. Get this wet, or you can use a brow spoolie, whatever you'd like. Get this wet and then you rub it into the soap here. And I already did it on this side and it held my brows nicely. So let's sweep my brow hairs up. If you really want that laminated brow look, you can take your finger, you see, and like push your hairs up. So I've seen that hack as well. But this is super nice. I mean, super inexpensive, and the wetter you get this, the more sticky the soap becomes. So I just have it a little bit wet. It's not like too wet. Like I said, you can go back in with a brow spoolie. Sigma sells a brow spoolie. This is the Brow and Lash E80. And you can go in and just kind of like fix the shape. So there we go. There are the brows and the eyeshadow is done. Let's go ahead and zoom out and do our face. Let's go ahead and prime the face. I'm so excited to test this out. This is the St.Tropez Gradual Tan Tinted Moisturizer and Primer. Oh, it says wait until it dries before using it under makeup and then wash your hands afterward. Like how, oh my gosh, I opened it and it just like spewed out. Oh, it's like brown. I thought it was gonna be, oh my gosh. Look at that. Definitely has a little bit of like a tan smell to it. One place I always forget is like back behind your ears. Like I always try to make sure to blend my foundation because I've been wearing my hair up a lot. But wow, that added some tan to my face. Oh my goodness. It did leave my hands a little bit orange, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands really quick. Wow, I look bronzed, but now like I'm matching my hands and everything. I've spent a couple days in the sun and I have gotten quite tan. Loving the color this is giving me. I'm actually gonna be going in with the Essence Pretty Natural Foundation. They sent over the entire shade range and I'm so happy that I have a shade that matches me right now. This one is in the shade 180 Cool Terra. Hopefully this matches me okay. I'm going to be using the Juno & Co. microfiber sponge. I have an entire review testing this foundation out. Absolutely love it, and I haven't worn it since then, and so I'm excited to test this out again. This is my friend Ivory Cherry's go-to foundation, and I'm just beyond excited to put this on my face here. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever been this dark of a shade. Oh, this might be a bit too dark for me actually. Oh, like it just evens everything out so nicely. I'm looking tan. Oh my gosh, this might be a little too dark for me. I mean, I match my hand now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go in with some concealer though, for sure. The darkest concealer that I have right now is this Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral that I have. Oh my gosh, I look so orange. All right, that looks a little bit better. Just gonna blend that in here. All right, I'm gonna set with my La Mercier translucent setting powder, and then I'll set the rest of my face with my Maybelline Superstay. Now we're not looking so orange. I'm so excited to try this palette out from Roxxsaurus as well. This is her contour and highlight palette. I love the packaging, but it does just, it's a magnet for fingerprints here. So I went ahead and swatched a couple of the shades, but I'm gonna be using this for my contour and highlight. I think I'm going to take this cooler toned bronzer, and this will be for my contour. I'll be taking the Sigma Small Contour F 05 brush. Oh, you can't even see that shade. Okay, I'm gonna have to go into another shade. I mean, I don't even really need bronzing, let's be honest. And then for my highlight, I think I'm gonna go in with this golden shade here since my skin is so tan. Oh my gosh. That is so pigmented. Wow. I also have her blush palette. I really like it as well. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade here for my blush. I'm gonna be using the Sigma F74. And I bought that palette on my own. My boyfriend actually bought it for me. Oh yeah, that just looks gorgeous. Oh! Add a little bit to my nose. Again, just blend with my powder brush there. Let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. I forgot I needed to finish my eyes. I want to go in with a fun color on my lower lash line. This dinosaur shade is just like speaking to me. Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to go back in with that E54, and Sigma actually has their own cleaning mat, so you can clean it like this, and then you can use the same brush. All the eyeshadow is gone. It's not the most pigmented. Okay, yeah, it's not the most pigmented, unfortunately. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, put mascara on, lashes, and a lip. And then I'll be right back. I'd love to see me from your point of view. We are back. You guys, I look tan. I look summer ready. Make sure I don't got lipstick in my teeth. We looking tan. We looking bronzed. The eyelashes that I have on are by Ardell. These are the 782, and then I also have a Sigma lipstick. This one is in the shade Epiphany. I absolutely love the Sigma lipstick formula. It's great because LookFantastic has Sigma products on there. So all of these things that I used today, besides like the Essence foundation, but everything you can get on LookFantastic will be linked down below. Don't forget to use my discount code TrendmoodxSigma for 22% off, you guys. Thank you so much, LookFantastic, for working with me on today's video, sending these products over. I cannot stop looking at how tan I look. This is like, oh my gosh, when I was a little kid, I used to be brown. Like, I would get so tan as a little kid. But like, do you see this complexion? Like, I don't even have setting spray on or anything. Let's put some on though to make sure this face is locked in place. This is the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray as I inhale some. Everything just looks so good. Like, seriously, you guys, this Essence foundation is bomb.com. It is super inexpensive. All of Essence products are super inexpensive and affordable. Love this foundation. Like the coverage on that. Can we, like in this, so good. Thank you so much again. Love how this turned out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!